Unit 5. Developing keyboarding skills.
Using the caps lock key.
Step 1. You open the Word program.
Step 2. You press the caps lock key on the keyboard.
Step 3. What do you observe? The caps lock light is switched on. Step 4. You type the alphabet A. Step 5. You press the caps lock key once again. Step 6. What do you observe? The caps lock light is off. Step 7. You press the alphabet A once more. Step 8. What do you observe? You type capital letters when the caps lock light is on. You type small letters when the caps lock light is OFF. Thank you.